Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. Today we will discuss general anatomy and physiology. Open your book because class is in session. Welcome to Howard Brown Online Barber College. I'm your instructor, Charles Howard. As a barber, you are allowed to touch your clients in ways that other people cannot. This is an important responsibility, and you should consider it an honor to be able to help others to improve their health and well-being. To earn this responsibility, you must have a solid understanding of human anatomy and physiology. In barber school, we don't focus much on this chapter, and the words are challenging. Let me pronounce some of them and provide definitions for your review. So let's start. In the basic structure of the cell, we find protoplasm, a colorless jelly-like substance containing food elements such as proteins, fats, carbohydrates, mineral salts, and water. There are a lot of different types of tissues in the body. Epithelial tissue is the protective covering on body surfaces, such as the skin, mucous membranes, the lining of your mouth, and internal organs, and certain glands. Now, in the skeletal system, we have osteology, which is the study of the anatomy, structure, and function of the bones. Do you kind of see what I'm talking about when it comes to these pronunciations? One last one for the road. In the bones of the face, you have zygomatic bones, which are also known as malar bones or cheekbones. These bones form the prominence of the cheeks. Well, as you can see, it's a really good chapter. However, you will benefit from knowing about some of the tissues and bones that are discussed when you describe your clients as having a rock-hard head. Actually understanding the frontal and parietal bones makes you wish you could skip them on a lake. Today we have discussed general anatomy and physiology terms. We discussed protoplasm with its colorless jelly-like substance. We talked about epithelial tissue and also defined osteology, which is the study of the anatomy, structure, and function of the bones. Here is your assignment. Make sure that you watch Basics of Chemistry and subscribe to the channel so that you're notified when a new video comes out. If you like this video, make sure that you like and share it. You can find us on Facebook and TikTok at Howard Brown Online. And if you would like more information about our Barber Bootcamp, visit our website at howardbrownonline.com. Now remember that barbering starts in the book. Class dismissed.